Dear students, Namaskar. Myself S.K. Rajput, and today we will learn the topic functional isomerism. Functional isomerism means two compound or more than two compound have same molecular formula. Molecular formula is same, but their functional groups present in compound are not same. Any compound, two compound, otherwise more than two compound have same type molecule formula, but in each compound functional group is different. These compounds are called functional isomers and phenomenon is called functional isomerism. To understand different type functional isomerism, we are taking number of carbon 3. Listen. Suppose CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. Can you write name of this compound? This compound is actually 1, 2, 3 carbon called propane and last OH group alcohol. This is called propanol, also called propyl alcohol. If we want to count number of hydrogen atom and carbon atom in this compound, total number of carbon 3 and you can count hydrogen 3, 3 and 2 means 8 and oxygen is 1. It is its molecular formula. This compound, first another compound having same molecular formula but different functional group. This compound is this type CH3O CH2 CH3. Suppose we have shifted this oxygen from here to here. So this chain will become CH3, CH2 and CH3. This compound actually called ether. In ether, two carbon atom directly connect with oxygen atom. Here oxygen atom, these are two carbon atom. It has two different types name, general name, other IUPAC name. To write IUPAC name, how can we write? This small alkyl group write in the form of oxy. It has one carbon, single carbon. So we are writing here methoxy. This oxygen as oxy we use with that alkyl group which have least number of carbon atoms. Here carbon atom are least. So we are using oxy with this. But here two carbon chain. So remaining species write as a form of alkane. In this compound two carbon. So we are writing ethane. This is methoxyethane. Otherwise you can simple general name alphabetic. This is ethyl, and this is methyl, and last there is ether. So this is called also methyl ether. But this compound with functional group ether and this compound with functional group alcohol both have the same molecular formula. This. If I am writing here new second compound CH3 CH2 CHO. Can you write name of this compound? In this compound total number of carbon 1, 2, 3 carbon. So 3 carbon system is called propane. At last there is aldehyde. For aldehyde we use al. So this is called propane. Simple. If you are shifting this oxygen from here to here, which system will form like this CH3O CH2 CH3. Sorry. This oxygen we are shifting on this carbon, middle carbon with double bond. This type system will form. What type? Here. This is CH3 carbon and this oxygen we move on second carbon, this type. And the last carbon will convert into CH3. So if you count total number of hydrogen carbon in these two, then we will find this type. Number 2, carbon are 3, total hydrogen 3, 3, 6 and oxygen is 1. This compound propanol also called 3 carbon propione aldehyde. Propione aldehyde is general name, but propanol is IPC name. Can you write name of this compound? This is 1, 2, 3, 3 carbon called propane, and functional group is ketone. So for ketone we use one. So this is called propanone, also called acetone. You can say this is dimethyl ketone. It's common name. So in acetone and in propanol, both have different type functional group. Here ketonic group functional group present, here aldehyde group present, but these two compounds have molecular formula same. So this belong to functional isomerism, means molecular formula same but functional groups are different. Look here. Third, if I am writing this type CH3 CH2 COH, can you write name of this compound? This compound also have 3 carbons, so we can write propane. At last, this is carboxylic acid, and for carboxylic acid we write oic acid. This is called propanoic acid. Also, we can say this name as propionic acid. So, if we count total number of carbon hydrogen in this compound, third type, carbon are 3, hydrogen are 3 and 3 6, and oxygen are 2 oxygen are present here. If to write next second functional isomers of this compound, I am exchanging this CH3 along with H, exchanging CH3 here and H here. So this type formula will form. What type? After exchanging here this H and CH2 will convert into CH3, remaining carbon OO, and last this CH3 will shift instead of hydrogen. The hydrogen came here and CH2 converted into CH3. Now this is actually called ester. In ester, COO group is present between two CH3. Here actually its structure is this type: CH3, C double bond O and CH3. So if we want to write name of this compound, this is ester. This is called methyl, which is connected with oxygen. We write as a prefix methyl, and numbering from here 1 to 2 carbon, naive system 2 carbon is called ethane. At last we use OH. This is called methyl ethane. This compound also called methyl acetate. Methyl acetate. So in methyl acetate, function group is ester. In this compound, function group is carboxylic acid. But both these compounds have same molecule, C3H6O2. So these two are also called functional isomers. What next? Fourth, if I am writing this type CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2, can you write name of this compound? In this compound, carbon are 3, so this is called propane. And in propane, this group is called amine. So we are writing this compound is propanamine. Propane. But in this compound, these 3 carbon are connected in a straight chain. So for straight chain, we write normal. This is called normal propane, propanamine. And if we count carbon are 3, total count hydrogen 3, here 4, 7, 8, 9. Total count 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total hydrogen are 9 and nitrogen 1. And this compound also exists in another form, this type CH3, CH2, NH, CH3. If I transfer this CH3 from here to here and its hydrogen here to here, so this type compound form, actually this is called primary amine, but in this compound from nitrogen two alkyl group connected. This is methyl, this is ethyl connected with amine. This is called secondary amine. So functional group in secondary amine is the secondary category, but molecular formula of these two is same. If we want to write a name this compound, how can we write this compound? Actually, two carbon chain connected with amine. So this is called ethane amine. Ethane amine. In ethene amine, this methyl group connected with nitrogen. So we write N-methyl. N-methyl means the methyl which we are writing as a prefix. That methyl is connected with nitrogen. So this nitrogen indicate connection of methyl group with nitrogen and ethane amine. If I am writing here this compound this type NCH3 CH3 and CH3, if all the carbon connected with nitrogen, this is called tertiary amine. This is primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine. Tertiary amine also have this type formula. It means compound may be different three type function group having same molecular formula. So definition, molecular formula is same but functional groups are two or more than two. In this last case there are three type function groups. This is primary category function group, secondary type category amine, and this is tertiary amine. If we want to write name of this amine, then how can we write? It is simple, very simple. This is methane amine. In methane amine, two methyl directly connected, so we will write N, then dimethyl methane amine. For simple, in general, we can say it is trimethyl amine. It is, this compound is called ethyl methyl amine, ethyl and methyl, and this compound is called propyl amine. So, to understand in which molecular formula which type function group will present, we should remember that if carbon are N, suppose in this the carbon are 3, hydrogen are double plus 2, 1 oxygen. These compound have alcohol and ether. If carbon are 3 and hydrogen are just double with single oxygen, form aldehyde and ketone. If carbon 3, hydrogen are double but oxygen are 2, so these are present in acid and ester. If carbon and hydrogen, carbon are 3, nitrogen are triple, 3N, and single nitrogen, these exist in different types of amine. So quickly here, in short, how can we remember which type functional groups present in given molecular formula? To remember, we are writing a simple form. Suppose CnH2NO, CnH2NO2, CnH2n plus 2O, and CnH3n. 1, 2, 3, 4. If number of hydrogen are double than the number of carbon with single oxygen, these compound exist in these two different forms. First will form aldehyde and another will exist in ketone. Number 2, if hydrogen are double then the number of carbon and oxygen also double, these type compound will present in the form of carboxylic acid, and second will compound form ester. These two compound different function group with same molecule. If listen, number of hydrogen are double plus 2 then the number of carbon atom with single oxygen, these compound exist. One compound present in alcohol form and another compound will exist in ether form. This is ether and alcohol. Ether and alcohol have same molecule formula with different function group. And last, if total number of hydrogen are 3 times then the number of carbon atom with single nitrogen, these may be present in primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Quickly, we are revising. Look here. Okay, can you guess which type compound is this? Look here. Actually, this is CH3. This is CH3. CH3. This is CH2. CH2, and this group is aldehyde. So this is called propanol. If we shift this oxygen on middle carbon, this oxygen we are shifting on middle carbon, then ketone will form. Which type? This type. This is called ketone. In ketone, there are two CH3 group connected with C double bond. So ketone and aldehyde both have same molecular formula. This type CnH2n with single oxygen with double bond due to 4 valency of carbon exist in aldehyde and ketone. Listen, if this type hydrogen and number of oxygen is single but hydrogen are double plus 2, alcohol and ester. Next example. This is CH3, this middle compound is CH2, and last we are using, suppose, alcohol. Suppose this is alcohol. In alcohol, CH3, first compound is CH3, middle is CH2, and last is OL. This is called ethanol. Ethanol, OL. If we are transferring oxygen of alcohol on middle, then compound will become this type. CH3, CH3, CH3. This compound is actually called ether. In ether, these two CH3 directly connected with oxygen and formula same, alcohol and ether having functional group different. In ether, there are two lone pair present on oxygen, so this bond should be just like in with angular shape, means angular shape just like water molecule, along with two lone pair electron. So, and in case of amine, listen, suppose this molecule represent amine. In amine, middle atom is nitrogen, and nitrogen have one lone pair. So, due to presence of lone pair, the shape of amine is pyramidal. This shape is called pyramidal. In pyramidal shape, if these three are hydrogen, this is called ammonia. If we replace one methyl group with one hydrogen with methyl group, this is called, suppose there are two hydrogen with methyl group, this is called methylamine. If there are two CH3 group with this nitrogen along with one hydrogen, this is called dimethylamine. If we are using 3-methyl, then this will called trimethylamine. Amine exists in this shape, pyramidal shape. So thank you for watching. Namaskar. We will meet soon in next class.